What's up, everybody? Welcome to today's video. We're gonna go ahead and shoot some pictures. Again, I'm shooting some better pictures because my friend actually got a better lens. So we're gonna shoot some better pictures that I can submit to try to make the Hollywood Nights car show. I went ahead and obviously cleaned up the car with the vinyl cleaner that you see down there. Now, remember when we were doing the door panel, we getting that all together. I got the streak-free cleaner, so it's good for glass. As you can see, the glass has spots in there. I'm gonna spray this on. I'm simply gonna see. Just me spraying how this works. Yeah, I don't, I'm not trying to conserve it or whatever. I can always buy more. I'm simply take the white side of the towel. Simply going to go over. See if we can't get these spots out. Take a look and see how good this cleaner is. And we look at the glass. Pretty clean. You guys are gonna see a little bit of streaks, but we're gonna go back over with that streak cleaner and it's gonna remove all those streaks. It's the only good thing slash bad thing about Chemical Guys products. They'll make something that will clean something, but then you'll need something else to clean that product, if that makes sense. So we go like there. Back glass is clean, as you can clearly see. Now we're gonna go back with the streak cleaner. Grab it. Right here, the streak-free cleaner. There we go. And we'll go back over it. Spray some of the streak-free clean on it. That way it's nice and shiny for these pictures we're about to take. And we're gonna go back over it. This stuff smells so good though, I'm not even about to lie. This stuff smells really good. Bam. And there we go. Nice and clean. Streak-free. You might see a little spots kind of like that, but that's a reflection of the cloud. See, it's nice and freaking clean. Alright guys, I'm gonna clean the rest of the windows. I'm gonna head out to the spot so we can start shooting these pictures. The rims are as clean as they're gonna get without having to wash. It's about to rain, so there's no point in doing a full-blown wash. So we're gonna head out to take these pictures. Back here. Have to take these pictures, and then there you go. I don't want that this side. Crank it up. There we go. Let's head to the site and shoot some pictures. Guys, we're back out here. We doing the pictures. My friend came back out here. He got an actual lens now because he said the last pictures, even though they were good, they were kind of washed out due to the sun, So we're back out here snapping some pics. I cleaned the car as best I could without giving it a full-blown car wash. I think it looks pretty good. It's looking pretty GQ. And as you guys saw from the last video, we did fix up the interior, got those wires together, fixed the door panel, as well as we finally got that fabric cleaner from Chemical Guys, which works amazingly. I got this awesome fabric cleaner, took out the stains, like it was crazy. So he's snapping up some pictures. You can kind of see him right there. It looks a lot better than previous.
Took a lot of the reflection off.
Yeah, so we'll be doing the pictures that way. I'm gonna give myself the best shot to get in to make the show. We're taking a little bit too long. We need to get at least these pictures submitted. So, but can't help it. Better lens is obviously gonna be better pictures. More definition, more resolution, sharpness, etc. So, we'll be doing the pictures right now. We don't have the Z out this time. It's just the Honda, and we're gonna reshoot out everything. So back out here at this awesome lake, and we're just gonna get a bunch of different angles. Alright, again, we're still shooting all around, and yeah, he showed me the effect of the lens, just killing like the glare. It makes a difference. For sure. So obviously, as you guys know, he's adjusting the lens right there. Obviously, as you guys know, the better the pictures you take, the more enticing and appealing it is to people. So we're gonna get it all the way around. I want to fix one thing. All right, sorry about that, guys. Got sidetracked. Or he did the exterior, got everything lit up. He's just snapping pictures, you can see. Getting those angles right. But for sure, Funny, you want to see the behind the scenes of people taking photos. You see how it goes. It's raining, so we're trying to beat the weather.
Thankfully, it's not too bad.
Yeah, not too bad. That's good. We did get some great shots. Cleaned it up the best I could. Because I knew it was gonna rain, so I didn't want to obviously go full blown like I normally do. Guys, wash and wax. There's no point in all that. That's why you buy chemical cleaners. Chemical Guys cleaners. It turned out really good.
Beautiful.
Door still fixed. Let that door fixed. Fabric's all nice and clean. Smells good. You guys see what he's looking at? Yeah, kind of a little bit. There you guys can kind of see it. Sorry, he has a Fabio hair. So it's in the shot.
Can't believe it's not butter, baby.
So it's in the shot. But yeah, this is a good thing. One, like I said, he gets to take some pictures with a new lens and camera, and helps him develop his skills, and as well as I get free pictures out of it. So it works out for me. I can submit. And they get to use a baller camera to get the pictures taken out. So very good to sure. Yeah. Why buy a camera when you have friends that have one that can do, you can use their camera to do it for you. You see everything's lit up. Right there, guys.
Yeah, I just want to.
He's just trying to capture different angles, all that. Go back and edit them.
Well,
Better take more pictures.
Because when I was on the outside, I was still getting a lot of glare right here I couldn't get rid of. So at least this way, I can get you a good picture of that portion of your console.
And you see it's all carbon fiber. Whole thing. I think last time we took a picture of the carbon fiber A pillars either. Yeah, a lot of people don't notice that I had carbon fiber A pillars. Yeah, it's all carbon fiber interior. But a lot of work into this, man. It took time. Especially the one of a kind thing. Well, it took forever. It took over half a year to get that made and sent. Worth it though. Only one of them. And they got the and look at the ducks too. Ducks out and about. It's usually more ducks here, but again, like I said, you can see from the weather, it looks like it's about to start coming down. So, trying to get these shots in so we can get them submitted. So, spend tonight editing a bunch of pictures, pick the best ones and send the best ones, and I have some good spare pictures. Anybody asking for pictures, I can send them pictures. Yeah, that's Street Fleet glass cleaners. That's what's up. Some good Chemical Guys products, actually. I know a lot of people use like other different types of like products, but like I said, I kind of started using Chemical Guys stuff, and every time I need something for something, either it's in development, they have it, or I didn't know they had it. Try it out, and it all worked good for me. So definitely have to keep. But yeah, pretty much behind the scenes of taking pictures. One more picture we need to take. Now I remember. Now I hit my head. I had the lights on. Remember that? I had the famous picture, guys. The one picture you always need. The picture with the lights on. There you go. Got the headlights on. I'm going to shut the door. You guys can see. You guys see those headlights in the picture? You got to have that picture right there. That's that baller picture. Alright, yeah. Take these last couple of pictures and we're going to call it a day. Go here. Kind of see the angle, like he's shooting it from, like right there.
Yeah,
Make it different
it's
angles.
only gonna come through so well in this.
Oh yeah, with the lens.
No. Like it still comes through because you can still tell it's on. It's just obviously headlights don't come through nearly as well.
Now we can take back. Now you can take the back of both angles, left and right. Heck yeah. So that's what you want me to focus the camera. How about that for you guys? There you guys go. And you guys can tell it's orange. Only thing I would say about orange, sometimes in some pictures it may come out like it's yellow, it's orange. That's why I like orange. But yeah, you gotta have the headlights on. That's a big. Oh, there's a guy coming back there with the what are those things called?
Oh yeah,
Growler,
that's
spiders or whatever.
Yeah. He has his daughter in the left seat.
Yeah, just driving around, man, having fun. Kind of matches my color of that too. It's pretty cool. Rolling around. Yeah. See him out here. You see him out here. You see him out here. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap this up. All right, guys, I'm done. That's it. Here's all the Chemical Guys products that I used to get everything out cleaned up and looking good for the photo shoot. Again, you can find all these products on the websites. Or, you know, they sell, Walmart sells it, whatever. But these are products that I personally use. The basic cleaning, obviously, for the wrap. This is a new product that I got, as you guys saw, with the lightning fast. Killed those stains. That was awesome. I used this interior, this on the glass, along with the streak free. And if you saw the pictures, this clear. The combination of these two, that's what's up. That's nice. And of course, the other interior cleaner that I got before I got this one. So I'll probably mostly use this one for the glass, and then this one for like the interior, just so I don't, you know, just so I can, you know, spread the usage. But yeah, there's the microfiber towel. Didn't use it, as you know. I have a bunch of microfiber towels. Gotta have microfiber towels if you're gonna be cleaning your vehicle. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please click the thumbs up button, click the like button. Let's get the likes up. Just give me an algorithm, man. Don't forget, I'm one of the only few channels that's actually modifying the 8th Gen Civic, as well as going to shows. Still more left to do with the car until we move on to a new project. But most of the stuff left is going to be like Vandy stuff, as you saw from like this list. But we'll get into more parts as the year goes along. Right now, we're focusing on trying to make hot import nights. I haven't been to a car show in over a year and a half, so definitely excited to get these pictures edited, send them off, and hopefully we can make the show, and hopefully we can win some type of award, which would be badass, all the hard work we put into this Honda. But we'll see, guys. Again, click like, subscribe. Any questions, post them down below, guys. See you guys next video. Thank you, Chemical Guys, for making good products. Peace.